Hello, this is HK Laser Training Center. In this time, we will learn how to calibrate temperature difference. When alarm occurred by difference of temperature between chiller and laser. When alarm occurs, check laser's temperature first in LaserNet. If there is deviation compared to chiller's temperature, press PRG button until P1 shows up. And press up arrow button until shows P14. Then press set button to set calibrating value with up or down arrow button. After calibration value set, press set button. Then P14 will shows up and press PRG button to finish setting. What are you think? Can you do it yourself? Until now, I've been explained how to calibrate Riddle chiller temperature. From now on, we will keep producing videos for maintaining our machine well. Thank you.